Hey guys, myself Shrijit. Today we will talk about some basics about R programming. So let's start. To input any value in any variable, we can either use equal to sign as shown here, or we can also use leftward operator. Both works exactly the same. So let's make our first sample program to print a message. For this, we will create a variable called myString with string value as hello world, which is our message. And then we will use print function to print the message. Here you can see the results. What we also did above was create a vector. So to create a vector, we simply name it as here. We are using apple and combine function denoted by C, as we have multiple values. Similarly, we can create list using list function. This is the result. Similarly, to create a matrix, we use the following code, where we are giving the input of 2 rows and 3 columns and data filled by row. Here is the output matrix. We can also create an array using this code. This is the output of array we created. To create a data frame, we can also use this code. This is the data frame we created. So what about removing any variables or deleting them? We can use the remove function denoted by rm. So let's remove the matrix we created above, named m. See, it shows error in print m, object m not found. That means the object matrix we created above has been deleted. Similarly, we have some arithmetic operators here. Let's have a look. Addition of two vectors. We can add, subtract, multiplication, division, to get the remainder of first vector with second. The division of first vector with second gives the quotient. How about vector raised to the exponent of second vector? Some other relational operators are greater than, less than, equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and not equal to. So we can see how important functions play a role in R. We can create R function by using the keyword function. For it, the syntax is as shown here. Function name, that will be the name of the function. The keyword function, arguments for the function, and function body. Let's get into some examples of predefined functions. Suppose we have to create a sequence of numbers from 32 to 44. We will use the function sequence. As you can see here, we have created a sequence from 32 to 44. Similarly, to find the mean of the numbers from 25 to 82, we use the mean function. Here is the output. To sum numbers from 41 to 68, we use the sum function. Simple. Some other helpful functions. For example, we created BMI data frame above. We can see its summary, which gives us its detail about median, mean, maximum, minimum. We can also view its head using head function. We can view the data frame as in a tabular form. A new window will be opened here using the view function. As you can see, we can also see the structure. This gives us detail out of observations, variables, data type of the variables. Similarly, we can find rows and columns of a data frame. To install packages, we can use install.packages. As you can see, the package is being installed. To call this package, we use library command. Similarly, for the same, we can use attach, and when we have done with our work, we can use detach function, so that unwanted package is not called. We can also get CSV files for the data using read.csv. Thank you. That's all for now.